We are actualizing the dream and the aspirations of many Kenyans who have always wanted health delivered at the household level.
10 community health promoters, each is tasked with 100 households. That means 1,000 households, Your Excellency, form one community health unit, which we call the CHU. And this CHU, Your Excellency, is headed by a community health assistant that we refer to as the CHA. This will establish approximately 10,000 community health units in the country. These units are the bigger part of a larger primary care network, PCN. This means that each unit is linked to a specific level 2 health facility, commonly known as dispensary, and a level 3, commonly known as a health center.
Afya yetu, jukumu letu ndio.
After that, with Mandera County. After this, it is Isiolo County.
Sababu saa hii kazi yetu imekuwa rahisi sana. Tukiingia kwa field tunaingia na morale.
Naona hii simu, let me show you. Simu ya mtu sana. Check it. Neon Lay Ultra.
Lakini mimi nataka kushukuru Mr. President sasa kwa ile kazi vile ameanza ikiwa mzuri. Aendelee hivyo mpaka tufike kule na tunafurahia.
Kwa majina anaitwa Benson Chao. Tumefurahia hii shughuli ya leo. Hatukuwa tumetambulika, sasa tumetambulika.